Hey guys, welcome back to No Sticks, No Bricks. This week we bring you another 360-degree virtual tour of an RV park. And this week we are at Harris Beach State Park, just outside of Brookings, Oregon. And look at this view. It's right on the ocean. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna take you around the park and let you look around. So here we go. All right guys, so this road right here in front of me is the one you would take right off the 101. And then it'll go down maybe a quarter of a mile or so, and then you're gonna take a right here to enter the campground. Or you can go straight and go check out the ocean. This campground has its own beach area, and it is absolutely beautiful. But today we're gonna focus on the RV park, show you around. So if you're checking in, you're gonna wanna be in the right lane for check-in. And that'll take you right up to the ranger station there on my right. If you're already checked in, you got a pass or whatever, then you can just use the left lane and bypass the ranger station. Immediately on your left, when you first come in, if you're interested, there is a overflow parking area and a hiker-biker camp. This is kind of an interesting thing that, first time I've ever seen this, but they've got an area that's a tent area that's designed for hikers and bikers. They've got things to secure your bike to for each site. It's pretty cool. A locker area where you can secure your areas or secure your belongings if you're going to go on a hike or a bike ride. So that's pretty cool. The overflow parking is right here in front of me. As you can see, our truck is parked there because our site is just not big enough for the RV and this truck. To my left right here is the dump station. This site does have a mixture of full hookups and electric and water only. And there are a few sites in A and B that do accommodate big rigs. So if you look on their website, it'll identify all those sites. There are 4 sections, A, B, C, and D. C and D, I don't believe accommodate big rigs. They're mostly for smaller rigs. A and B definitely have sites to accommodate the big boys. They do sell firewood here to my right. It's open every day from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. and it's $5 a bundle. It is cash only and it is exact change only, so just be aware of that. So this is section A. We're gonna do a big circle around section A. As you can see how it's just a beautiful, well-maintained RV park. Everything's asphalt. There's no dust, lots of trees. It's a beautiful day here in Southern Oregon. It's supposed to be 66 and sunny today, so it's absolutely gorgeous. It's also Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. This is actually my first Father's Day without any kids at home. So it's my first empty nester Father Day. It's kind of sad and happy at the same time. In each section, there is a shower house. So A, B, C, and D, each one has a shower house. There's trash bins periodically spread out throughout the park. In addition to the electric and full hookup sites, there is yurts. You can see a yurt off to my left here. Oops, sorry guys. And there are also tent sites. And there's our site there off to the right, Large Marge. The roads are a little bit narrow. Just be aware of that when you're towing a big rig around here, but it's not too bad. It's a very, very popular campground, as you can see. I gotta watch out for the monster trucks. All right, this is going into section B as in Bravo. So Alpha and Bravo go right into each other. Big circle around here. There's several different trails and pathways throughout the RV park. Most of them are no bikes allowed. Just to my right here, you can see this one. But lots of the well-maintained paths, you know, heading to the shower houses and connecting different sections and stuff. All right, we're gonna come back around here and hit up the other side of Section A. Also got some sink waste disposal areas for, I guess if you have no hookups and you got to get rid of some gray water. They've got little spots throughout the park for that. There's a recycle area also to my left here. And then the ranger area where they have their maintenance area and stuff is right there off to my left as well. You can see the ocean to my right here. The iconic Oregon coastline with the big rocks. It's pretty cool. There's another yurt off to my left. All right, now we're going to enter sections C as in Charlie and D as in Delta. We got Charlie 5 directly to my left for reference. Charlie 7 off to my left. There's one of the hiking trails I was telling you about to my right. That actually goes all the way down to the beach. So as I mentioned before, these two sections back here are more for your tent campers, smaller RVs, that kind of thing. So that was Charlie's section, part of it anyway. We're gonna go into Delta section. It's very, very beautiful back here. Lots of trees. You go down to the beach and the wind will be ripping, and then once you get up into the RV park, all these trees block all the wind. So this is kind of a little shoot off of section D back in here. So we're gonna go check this out. As you can see, there's more trails off to my left and my right. So tent camping back here. This would be a good spot probably for a group area. Plenty of parking. And there's another shower house directly to my right, or directly in front of me, and now to my left. So we got Delta 8 and Delta 9 to my left and right respectively, as for reference. Delta 16 off to my right. And there's another one of those gray water waste areas to my right here. It's just kind of like a little cone on the ground, but you can just dump your gray water right in there. All right, guys, that was Delta section. We're going to continue through Charlie section, top side of it here. And off to my right is the amphitheater, and they do different do hikes for the kids and shows and stuff like that. So it is an active amphitheater, and the information board for when all the stuff is going on is to my right there. And this goes back into Bravo section, the top side of Bravo section. Got Bravo 8 directly to my right, Bravo 9 directly to my right for reference. As you can see, a lot of these sites on the right-hand side here are meant for tents or really small RVs. Are really kind of cool. They're just kind of snug back in there. Got the monster trucks. Alright guys, now we're coming back up on Large Marge in our rig, and that pretty much concludes this park. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing, hitting like, hit the bell to be notified whenever we release videos. And we appreciate you watching, and until next time guys, safe travels.